welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I got these kinky twists. Yeah, I'm like so shocked by this. You know, I did it by myself. You know, if you know me, I don't know how to attach a twist to my hair for nothing in the world, but I tried the rubber band method, and as you can see, you can't really tell. So before we get into the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you are new here or you're just an OG, hey, what's up? Let me show you guys what I used for this hairstyle. Girl, do you see? Okay, so I used the Marley hair, and this is a number 1. I have jet black hair, so I got the color 1. You can see that, and it's just this hair, looks just like that, and it came in this bag, and it was $4.99, and I used 3 packs. Now initially I did these prior to filming and they were a little bigger, and I used 2 packs and I was just fine. So it's up to you depending on the size that you want. These are pretty decent size, and I have this much hair left, and this is about 2 twists because you're using 2 pieces per twist. And I will show you guys that in the video. So prior to styling my hair, I wash and condition my hair and deep condition my hair as always. And I put in the My Organics pomegranate and honey leave-in, and then I just use a little bit of the curl sculpting custard, and I seal that in with my almond oil, and then I put my hair into 4 plaits, let my hair air dry, and went from there. Now I also use these rubber bands here. These are just the regular little rubber bands that you get at the beauty supply, and this was $2, but I've been had these, like I had these for so long. Let me show you guys how big they are. They're the tiny little rubber bands, just the regular size ones. You're gonna need some gel or whatever styler you want to lay your hair down, because my hair is really fine and it just curls right up, so I need something that's gonna lay my hair down and make it stay, and the argan oil gel is the one for me. Yeah, enough rambling, let's get right into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. So first we're going to start off by applying the gel. You just want to apply a little bit, or whatever styler you choose, just to smooth down the hairs. I have very fine hair, so yeah, that's why I'm using gel. And then you're going to split that section into 2. Try to make it as even as possible. And you're just going to take 2 pieces of the Marley hair, and you're kind of going to run your fingers through it just to kind of poof it out a little bit, to kind of separate the hairs just a bit. And you're going to lay that synthetic hair right in the middle of your separated hair. I think I pulled out part of the hair, that's why I'm going back to get some more. But you're gonna just kind of smooth that out, kind of to thicken the hair and make it like poofy, kind of separate the synthetic hair. You're gonna lay it right in the middle, and you're gonna take your hair and making sure it's smooth, because this is where you're gonna set the twist. You're going to tie a rubber band on it, and I tied my rubber band 5 times for each twist. This is not too tight. You don't want to do this too tight. You don't want to pull your hair out. So as you can see, I'm going to be tying this about 5 times, and then I'm going to take 2 pieces of my hair, pull it a little bit tight, not too tight, just tight enough that it doesn't slide off of my hair, because again, I have fine hair. And when you split your hair into 2 sections, you're going to use those 2 to attach to the synthetic hair and start your twist. And I'm pulling on the synthetic hair just to ensure that it's also even on both sides of the twist. And then you're just going to twist the hair. Now what I'm doing, I'm not doing a regular twist. I'm actually rolling the twist in my fingers as I twist. As you can see, it's not just a straight down twist, it's actually rolling it through my fingers. And you want to twist your hair all the way down just like this, just to ensure that it stays and it doesn't get lumpy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy, guys. Bye. Whoa.